Hey guys, welcome back to this video. So in the last video, we have created a table in under DB database, and after that, we have shown you how to drop a database. So we have deleted that DB database. So for this video, I have created a new database, that is new DB, and in this video we'll see that how you can make a table using another table, right? Like first, in new DB, if I expand this one, you can see that here I have already created a table named as table 1. Okay, so now if you want to see about some details about table 1, like how many columns are there in table 1, you can simply expand here, and you can see there is 3 columns: ID, name, and address, as earlier. But if you want to see this same using a query, you can do that also. DESC keyword, basically this is a keyword that is used for give a description about the table. You can use describe or DESC. I will use DESC, and after that give the table name. So table 1, and if you run this query, you will see that table 1 consists of 3 columns: ID, name, and address, and their respective types are here. Yes, you can see the details about table 1. Now our target is to create another table named as table 2 using this table 1. Like I want that my table 2 will contain 2 columns, that is ID and name. I don't want address as a column in table 2. So I can make this using this table 1. I will simply copy this 2 columns, ID and name, from table 1 to table 2, right? So how we can do that? So let's see. So first, create table 2. Sorry, you have to mention here table. Create table, then table name. The new name is table 2 that I want to create here. As how I want to create this? As select 2 columns from table 1, right? So I will select 2 columns, that is ID and name. I will pass these 2 columns here: ID, name. From which table? Table 1. Do you understand this syntax? I'm creating a new table, table 2, and for creating table, we use this query: create table, then table name. Then what should be there in this table? Select only ID, name from table 1, right? Now, if we execute this, okay, so you can see, if I refresh my connection in new DB, you can see that there are table 1 and table 2. And if you want to see the details of table 2, you can simply use this query, as I said earlier. Okay, so execute this, and you can see simply that table 2 contains 2 column ID and name, and table 1 contains 3 column ID, name, and address. So in this video, we have learned about how to create table from another table. So in the next video, we will see how to insert values in table. So I actually forgot about this part, like uh, how to create another table from a table. So we'll see in the next video. Okay. So till then, stay safe. Bye bye.